Beep boop bop, it's Becca, and welcome back to Baking with Becca. Today, we are going to be making some vegan Funfetti sugar cookies. These are going to be sugar cookies with lots of sprinkles in them, super bright colors, so I'm wearing my matching rainbow shirt. These are going to be delicious, so let's get started. So here are all of our ingredients for cookies, pretty simple overall. So let's start over here. We have half a cup of margarine, 3/4 cups of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 3/4 teaspoons of baking soda, a pinch of salt, and 3/4 cups of sprinkles. So we want to start off by creaming together our margarine and our sugar. So I softened the margarine in the microwave for about 20 seconds. And we want to add it together with the sugar. We want this to get nice and fluffy so that our cookies are soft and chewy and fluffy. So I'm going to use an electric mixer because it's easier to cream everything together. Okay, looking good. Now we want to add in our vanilla, and we want to mix together our solution to make our egg substitute. This is a vinegar and baking soda mixture. I'm going to form a volcano. This mixture is also going to help keep our cookies nice and fluffy. And mix it up one more time. Okay, now we're ready to add our dry ingredients. Now before we go any further, make sure you preheat your oven to 350 degrees. So it'll be ready by the time our dough is ready. So now we can add in all the rest of our dry ingredients and mix it up again. You want to hold off for adding the sprinkles just yet so we can make sure everything else is fully incorporated before we add them. Cornstarch is sticking. There we go. And our baking soda. And our salt. And mix it up. If your dough is too dry, go ahead and add a little bit of rice milk just to bring it all together. So I added about 2 teaspoons of rice milk, and now the dough looks perfect. Now we want to add in our sprinkles. Sprinkles are honestly one of my favorite baking ingredients because they just make everything look so happy. Whoa, this dough just makes me like elated to look at it. Okay, now we're ready to put this onto our baking sheet. I just sprayed my baking sheet with some baking spray so our cookies don't stick. And now we are ready to scoop our dough onto our sheet. So you can use your fingers. You just take a little ball of the dough and place it on your baking sheet. You make them however big you want. I think about a tablespoon ends up being a nice like portion size for cookies. And they will expand, so don't put them too close together. Okay, so these are ready to go in the oven. You want to bake them for about 8 minutes. So then they continue to be soft because once they sit out a little bit, they will harden, but we want them to be soft. The cookies are all done. They ended up baking for about 11 or 12 minutes, and I'm so excited to try them. Let's try this one. Give me, oh, that's nice. These are really good, and it's still warm. It has like a little bit of a crunch on the outside, but then it's soft and chewy on the inside. Just overall very sweet flavor, which is nice. And these look super festive, so they'd be good for like the holidays or a birthday party or anything fun if you have lots of people coming. So give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Try out this recipe, let me know what you think. Also let me know in the comments any ideas for future videos or what you think about this one. And I'll see you next time. Bye!